Hi everyone and welcome. This is Trudy Vesotsky and I'm very happy to be sharing with you in this module on how to really easily create mini products in Canva. Now the types of products you can create are enormous, so I'll leave it up to your imagination, but in this particular tutorial I want to actually show you how I created in a very quick time frame some Facebook posts and actually provided them as a pack. So let's start with the end in mind. I'll show you what I mean and what I actually had on offer. So if you head to my website, which is my.wholesci.com, so it's HOLPSY.com. Wholesci stands for Holistic Psychology for those that ask. And if we just click on free stuff, the tab at the top there, and what you'll notice is there's a whole range of different free products that I have on my website. And all of them, I think pretty much every single one of them has been created in Canva. So what I recently put up is, I guess, some free quote packs. These are just some I am statements. I've got lots of other quotes that are going to be going up as well. Now, a lot of people do this and they offer them as a saleable item, and that's perfectly fine. Because I get people asking me a lot, I just wanted to give them away for free. And so in this particular pack here, I've got 15 Facebook size downloadable I am statements or quotes that they can use. And that means that's 15, I guess, days of Facebook posts that they could literally be just uploading that one photo, writing something, and that's it, they're done. So this is the range of, this is actually all the photos that are in there. I also created that little design in Canva as well. So what I want to show you today is I want to show you how you can actually create this really, something like this. I'm just going to show you the Facebook post, but as I said, you could do it with pretty well anything. And then you could either upload it direct to your website if you have one, or if you don't have a website, you could give people a link. You could give people a link to pay for it by one of a payment method, and you could either email it direct to them by email. So you can actually just add. It's a zip. It's actually a zipped file, so it's actually compact enough in size to be able to send via email. Or you could give them a link to your Google Docs page, or there's so many different ways that you could actually give people access to this if you don't have a website where they can, like mine, just download it direct. Okay, so what I want to do is, let's start where we always start in the tutorials, which is just at our home page here. And I want you just to click Facebook post. So remembering that up here in the file on the top left, if you click on that, it'll show you the 940 pixels by 788. So that's the Facebook size. Now, I am actually using my pro version of Canva today. The reason being is because there's just a lot of photos on there. And when I've been showing you in my free version of Canva, I have to upload photos all the time that I want to use in there, so it's just a lot quicker for me to use Canva Pro to show you this. But remembering that in the free version of Canva, you can just go and download a whole heap of images that you want that are copyright free, and then all you have to do is you upload them into your particular page here. So as you can see here, these are actually the posts that I created. So I'll show you how to create one from scratch, and then I'll just keep adding pages so you can see how easy it is to do. So you're starting off with a blank page, and then you can decide what you want to do. So in this case, I'm just going to go to photos, and I'm just going to choose this photo here. So now, normally you can do, you've seen the different range of ways that I do things. You either drag it in across, or you can just, let's just add a new page, or you can just grab a photo and it goes right into the back like that, okay? So I'm just going to add a whole heap of different images here, and then I'm just going to add some quotes to them. So in this case, I might just create some simple wording. Okay, so wording. Okay, so again, it's just coming up at the top of my head. I'm not thinking through this too much. I just want to show you, again, you can create your own little things. And so what I might do is I might then copy and paste my name down here. I'm just doing it the quickest way that I can. You can just slow it down when you're doing yours and take it really slow. So one of the things you can do, as I've shown you before, is if you go into elements, there's lots of different things you can do. In this case, I'm just going to take this down here and make this a complementary color, and then just put my name down there. So again, you can add so many things. You can, for instance, add a stroke of color. Yeah, you can add a stroke of color here. If you go and watch all my videos, you can see all the different things that you can do. So, and really all you do is you can then just go and add whatever else you want to add to your particular post. So in this case, we might something just like, and I mean, if you can just stick to the same type of fonts and things, and we just might put, So again, you can do exactly the same thing. You can, change whatever you're doing. I'll take my name, I'll copy it, and then I paste it, so then I don't have to do the same. My name's down there, so again, I can do one of many things. I can either put a different element there, like I did before, whereas I just actually make all the bottom bits a very similar color to what's on the screen, like whatever the complementary color is. Again, remember, just go and have a little look at my my module on the color of psychology, so I could leave that there. And again, if you want to just make it easy, you can just right click on copy and then paste here, and I might put something like color. These are all off the top of my head, so this is not my quotes in any way. These are just something that I could type. And again, similar thing, I might copy the bottom of that and paste it down the bottom there. I might choose a different color, just something that's, take my name, paste it on the bottom there. So already you can see, I kept remembering that I actually like to make sure that my words are not over images. So color my world, opening myself up to success, reading makes my soul smile. So again, you can see how quickly I've done that, but just in order to be able to, so you can just keep adding a page. See down the bottom here, add a page. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to upload some of my posts that I already, if you've downloaded my pack, you would have already seen. And all you're going to do is once you upload a file, so you upload an image from your computer, wherever it may be, but I've already got some here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag that into there. I've already created that before. I'm going to drag that into there. I'm just going to keep adding pages. I'm going to drag that into there. So again, you can create your own posts. All I'm going to want to just do is show you how this downloads as one file. So at the moment, you can see I've got here 7 pages so far. So I just want to show, just add a few more. There was 15 on my other one, but I'll just put 10 here just to show you. So I'm just adding a page. As I said, I could be creating these as I go, but at the moment, I'm just wanting to show you how to download the pack. And this one here, which I'm sure we all agree on, which is I am grateful. Okay, so there you go. So now I've got 10 Facebook size images that I can either provide and sell to people as a saleable item, or I could just give away. And what you're going to do is I'm going to call it here. I'm just going to put Facebook images. So I remember that if I go and looking for it again, at another time, I know how to find it. And then all you're going to do is you're going to download. Okay, so you see download, and I'm going to download all 10 pages as a PNG file. So I'm going to press download. And what that does is it actually downloads all of these files, all consecutive files, as one basically as one file, and it compresses it. But I'll show you what it does. So you've got 10 pages down, you can have 20 pages down, you can have as many as you want, and you just press download. So again, depending on the speed of your internet, we see it's actually downloading it quite fast, and I just want to show you what a zip file looks like. Okay, so I've now got a zip file here, so I'm just going to save it. And then I'm going to open the zip file. So this is the file that it's coming. It's got 10 photos, and people will then know how to extract files onto their computer. But what they receive is a file, which actually looks like just one, I guess like one box. And then people can individually extract whichever ones they want, or they can extract them all to their computer. But most people know how to use a zip file. And so what we've got now is there you go, my first photo, my second one. So as you can see, you can go and check out every single particular post that's there, and people will be able to use that and extract that as they like. So as you can understand, you could do this with so many different things. For those that have purchased my How to Create a Planner or Journal Masterclass, that downloads as a PDF file. And if you're creating something like the Facebook post or Instagram post or anything that is in a PNG file, it'll download it as a compressed file. So ultimately, the aim is to be able to get your product to someone, whether it's a giveaway, whether it's a saleable item, because just remembering that the larger the file is, it's not as easy to email large files to people, and that's why using a compressed file or a PDF document is a really great way to get products that you're giving away or selling out to your customer. So have a play around with adding those particular files consecutively underneath each other. Play around with downloading, and have a think about some easily created little mini products that you could create to utilize more in your business. So I hope you enjoy playing around in that particular, after watching that particular tutorial. Come back for more tutorials. There are going to be lots coming up again soon. So much love, all the best from me to you, and bye for now.